I got Mikey with me for sure.
Let's go. Got my confidence up, I got slide by Noah. He got me shining like mineral oil. Put me in the dough with my ties and balls. Let's go. Looking like I just won an award. The way that I'm chop, I should go out on tour. I did it by myself like an entrepreneur. I know that she bad, that's the reason she spoiled. She liking me cause I'm chopped by Noah.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah, back with another video. Today I got my dad in the chair, and as you can see, we got something to work with. My dad hasn't had a haircut in a while, mainly because he can't get to me as much, and he was trying to let it grow, but for a more cleaner look, he finally decided to whack it off, which was a good idea. After lifting the hair out the scalp with the pick, we grabbed the number 2 guard with the lever closed, and we basically just debulking, removing all the book around the head, and we're going to be finishing off with the 1.5 guard closed for the desired length. Using the 1.5 guard closed now. Now I got my number 1 guard on with the lever open, and I'm just going around his thinning areas just so it won't be a harsh line around it for a smoother transition. Also, my dad is not bald and his crown area just very thin. The ring light just makes it look lighter than it actually is. My dad gets a light taper on the side, so we're not going to ball anything out until we get to the back taper. But I'm sitting in this first guideline with the lever fully open in a half moonlight shape right over where the top of the ear end. We're also going to be cutting my dad's beard down evenly. He do a lot of self-cutting, so he can't necessarily get it how he wants, so we're going back wide and we're getting everything even as possible. Now for our second guideline, we got the number 1 guard with the lever fully open. We're sitting in this guideline like 1.5 inches wide. We're going to start the lever fully open, then work our way down to halfway, then fully close until we reach the bottom of that guideline. Now with this 1.5 guard against the grain, we're not going to be sitting in the guideline. We're basically just going to be debulking, trying to connect the overall length around the head to the taper. Therefore, you got to flick out as you go up so you won't sit in the line. I'm also going with the grain with the lever fully closed to smooth it out. Then I'm going back against the grain, going behind that ear, making sure I'm getting rid of any dark spots so that blend can be seamless. Now I got that 1 guard back on, and I'm repeating exactly what I just did with that 1.5 guard. To finish this taper and get rid of this last faint line, I'm going in with the lever open with my clipper with no guard. And I'm using a lot of corner work to get rid of dark spots, detail, and manipulate this blend.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Then I grab my trimmers and use corner work to further more detail. Right here I'm applying mousse to furthermore help my dad lay his hair down, especially since he just cut it off. After thoroughly brushing in the product, I'm gonna grab my blow dryer to solidify and freeze the hairs. Then I apply alcohol to prep the areas that I'm going to be edging up. Doing this removes oil, dirt, and any residue left from the products. When it comes to the neck tape, you want to stay out as far as possible while still getting crispy. And the best way to achieve that is by the prep work I previously showed with the alcohol wipe, tapering the edge up, and repetitively using my comb. Start off this front edge up. We're starting with the vertical bar, making sure it line up to the end of the eyebrow, because it's mainly where everybody vertical bar started. We're going to do that on both sides before we attack the front line. As you can see, my dad got a very difficult edge up. He very light in the corners. So we starting in the middle, working our way to one side, then we're going to work our way to the other side. And we basically trying to balance out, keeping it natural as possible, while still trying to get as crispy as we possibly can. We definitely got to consider his light areas, so we're just going to go straight across as if it was a full hairline. What really helps the illusion of a full hairline is crispy corners. So even if your client don't have a lick of hair where you applying your trimmers to make a line, you always need to end with a crispy corner because it'll give off that full hairline illusion. That doesn't mean be excessive. Use minimal corner as possible while still trying to get it crispy. Now for the first steps of my enhancement, I'm using Titanium by Kiss Express to lightly fill in my dad-like corners. I'm not trying to go fully jet black, I'm just trying to get the base on there because I will be coming behind it with some fibers for a more mattish, natural look. So like I said, I'm just being light as possible with this spray. Then I apply holding spray to hold the fibers. Then I swiftly go around the head applying it because less is more when it comes to that natural look. Now I'm going back in with my Mike Tyson boards to re-solidify this hairline and get everything symmetrical. This step is very important when you're trying to achieve that natural appearance and really ace it. And this just basically removing the dark spots after you apply the enhancements from the taper and near the hairline, and it just helps for a smoother transition. We definitely had to bring my dad beard back to life. We got it back out as wide as possible. Y'all stay tuned for the final result. YouTube, it's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah, back with some more heat. I appreciate everybody for watching. Y'all know we're gonna keep going up and up and up. I'm back. I told y'all I'm definitely gonna drop once a week. I appreciate everybody for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'm gone. Slap.